Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? Today I'm going to give you a quick start guide on how to start a vitamin shop business online. The vitamin industry has always experienced steady growth year over year, and it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. If you're looking to make some money and make a difference in someone's health, you should consider starting a vitamin shop business online. So the reports say 60% of adults aged 20 and over in America are taking at least one supplement each and every month. Globally, the vitamin and supplement market is expected to reach $25 billion by 2025. Health-conscious baby boomers continue to be the driving force behind all of this demand. You can buy immune-boosting vitamins in bulk for as low as $2 to $3 per bottle and resell them for $15 or more. So where's your piece of this pie? Our world's population will continue to age, and people are looking for reliable companies to buy their vitamins and their health supplements from, and that's where you come in. So how do you get started? Let's jump right in. So there are two methods to start this kind of business. You can set it up as a drop shipping store where someone else is responsible for shipping all the vitamins and the supplements to the customer, or you can buy, store, and ship out your own inventory from your own warehouse. Once you choose what you want to do and pick a method, you can now proceed to step one. If you have no idea how a vitamin store actually operates, or you're a first-time online business owner, I recommend getting a business plan from Fiverr. What they'll do is create a custom business plan that outlines exactly how your business is supposed to work and what you should expect. So whether you choose the dropship method or to buy and hold your own inventory, the supplier research process is still exactly the same. You're going to need to find a supplier for the vitamins and the supplements. So if you want to get started right away and you don't have a lot of money to buy inventory, you'll want to head over to Google and type in these words: vitamin drop shipping supplier. This will give you access to thousands of products to sell in your online store right away without actually needing to buy any of them. If you do have some money and you want to manage your own inventory and keep products in your own warehouse to ship out, just Google the words wholesale vitamins or wholesale supplements. As you can see, the listings will actually change, and from here you can find a company to buy in bulk from. Now, when you've got all this sorted, it's time to officially register your business. You won't be able to buy wholesale vitamins or even work with a dropshipping supplier until you complete this step. You need to register and apply for a federal EIN number and form an LLC or a corporation. And depending on what state you're in, you'll likely also need a reseller or retail merchant certificate as well. This is going to allow you to buy all the products tax-free. I recommend using my corporation as I do have a wide variety of packages to choose from, but their most basic package will get you started right away. Now, since you're going to be getting all of this money, you're going to need somewhere to put it. It's pretty easy to open a business bank account, but they won't actually get you set up without having that legal incorporation paperwork or the EIN number that I just spoke about. You can work with a local bank that you're already using, or you can just choose a new one. If you've not heard of Square before, they also have a small business banking department who can get you set up with a checking account right away. And the best thing about it, it's free. So the next step in the process is to buy website hosting. You can use any provider that you're familiar with, and I know that there's a lot of providers out there, but I always recommend choosing Bluehost because to me, they're the most reliable for e-commerce websites and startup stores. With them, you'll get a free domain name, a free SSL certificate, and you'll get access to 24/7 tech support. So you really can't beat it. Once you pay for the plan with Bluehost, What they'll do is send you login credentials. You'll want to save that information and then deliver it to the website designer in the next step. If you don't know about Fiverr, it's a company that sells affordable website development and marketing services that get done really, really quick. All you want to do is go to their website, type in what you want in the search bar, and it will reveal a ton of people who are willing to help you get your website set up in less than 3 days. I'd highly recommend that you make a list of vitamin websites that you really, really like, and then send those to the website designer to get a quote. Once you choose the person you want to work with, go ahead and give them those Bluehost details and communicate your vision and your plans for the website. While they're working on your new website, you'll need to activate a merchant account for your customers to actually pay you through. Many businesses use PayPal, Square, or Stripe. Again, I personally like Square. They make it super easy for me to accept payments online, via email, my website, or even over the phone. And the account with Square is absolutely free. So once you sign up, give these details to the website designer to complete the payment integration process. Finally, you'll need to start spreading the word about your business. And a good place to start is to get a logo designed, business cards, and online marketing materials created. For this, I've got 3 resources for you, and you can choose what fits your budget and what fits your timeline. For branding, I recommend choosing 99 Designs because their process is pretty quick and they'll actually give you what you want. There's another company that's called Envato. Their website has tons of graphics and flyer templates for each and every single kind of business. And then there's Canva Pro, which is a graphic design tool for beginners, which comes with a lot of templates. So you can just go ahead and create your own logos, your own banners, your own marketing materials on the go. Okay, so now that you're all set up, how will you actually make money? Here's what you need to know in order to take a check to the bank. Since you now own a vitamin shop business, you can choose from a variety of items to sell. Can you guess which ones are the most popular and profitable? Here they are: multivitamins, beauty supplements, joint support vitamins, anti-aging vitamins, and immune boosting vitamins. Vitamin shops are making the most money by selling these types of products, and you can too. To bring in some extra cash, you can also start selling fitness supplements, gut repair drinks, exercise equipment, or even accessories. Now, I know what you're probably wondering. What's the price tag on this baby? Startup costs for this kind of business using the drop shipping method are usually anywhere from around $700 to $2,000 on average. But if you're planning to fund and buy your own inventory and ship out of your own warehouse, be prepared to drop the big bucks. If you like this business idea and you want to know where to get all the products, the vitamins, the supplements from at a discounted price, the link to the vendor list is at the bottom of this video. I'm also giving away my new marketing strategy book series for free. If you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. If I can help you in any single way, please let me know. And if you have a minute, go ahead and leave me a comment on this video. Each and every single comment helps boost the video up in the YouTube search results. If you know somebody who's thinking about starting a business and needs to see this today, tag a friend, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.